Objectives of teaching learning biological science at the secondary school level CPS 3 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Objectives of teaching learning biological science at the secondary school level. Introduction. Biological science is the study of living organisms, plants, animals, and human beings. At the secondary school level, classes 9 to 10, the main aim of teaching biology is to help students understand life and nature, develop scientific thinking and curiosity, learn about health, environment, and biodiversity. In India, science education is designed to make students aware, responsible. 1. Knowledge and understanding of biological concepts. Students should learn and understand basic biological terms, facts, and processes. Examples of concepts: cell structure and function, human body systems, photosynthesis, reproduction in plants and animals, food chains and ecosystems. Purpose: help students build a strong base for future science studies and competitive exams like NEET. 2. Development of scientific attitude. Students should develop a positive attitude towards science, questioning, observing, and experimenting. Includes being curious about natural things, asking why and how, thinking logically, not blindly believing, having an open mind. Example: a student who sees a frog laying eggs in water becomes curious to study its reproduction cycle. 3. Promoting inquiry and observation skills. Biology is based on observation and investigation. Students should learn to observe plants, animals, human behavior, ask question, do small investigations, example, observe the effect of sunlight on plant growth. Indian classroom activity, observing a hibiscus plant to identify its flower parts. 4. Developing practical skills. Biology must be taught through experiments, models, and hands-on activities. Skills include using a microscope, preparing slides, drawing biological diagrams, recording observations in practical files. Example: in class 10, students observe onion peel cells under a microscope. 5. Creating awareness about health and hygiene. In India, many health issues like malnutrition, diseases, poor hygiene exist. Biology teaching must make students aware of personal hygiene and sanitation, balanced diet and nutrition, communicable and non-communicable diseases, need for vaccination and regular health checkups. Example: teaching about COVID-19 virus, immunity, and prevention. 6. Understanding environment and biodiversity. Biology helps students understand the relationship between humans and nature. Includes importance of plants and animals in ecosystems, causes and effects of pollution, need for conservation of forests and wildlife, understanding climate change and its impact. Indian context: studying biodiversity of Western Ghats or Sundarbans, or saving local rivers like Yamuna or Mahandi. 7. Promoting sustainable living and values. Biology should also teach values like respect for life, care for animals and plants, responsibility toward nature, living in harmony with environment. Example: teaching students not to waste water or kill animals for fun. 8. Career awareness in biology field. Students should know the scope of biology-related careers. Includes doctor, nurse, paramedic, biologist, botanist, zoologist, agriculture scientist, forest officer, biotech and medical research. Purpose: to motivate students from rural and urban areas to take up career-oriented science streams. 9. Improving communication and scientific language. Biology helps in learning new scientific terms and how to explain things clearly. Example: describing the function of the heart using proper terms like atrium, ventricle, aorta, etc. Benefit: helps in exams, interviews, and higher education. 10. Using ICT tools and digital learning. Biology education should include the use of animations and videos to explain complex processes like digestion, online quizzes and apps, Diksha, Ncert ePathshala, project-based learning using internet sources. This makes science more interesting and accessible, especially in Indian schools where students may not have labs. Conclusion: the main objective of teaching biological science at the secondary level is to help students understand life, develop skills, and become responsible citizens. It must not be limited to textbook reading but should involve observation, experimentation, discussion, and real-life applications. In Indian schools, with diverse learners and limited resources, teachers must use creative and practical ways to achieve these goals. A well-taught biology class can make students not just science literates, but also eco-friendly, health-conscious, and socially aware individuals.